This is gonna be episode 2 of Fun Monkey Horror. We left off at Nextbots, and I was stuck in a building, so we're gonna do that again. And I'm again not alone. I have company.
Never alone.
Never alone.
Never.
I'm probably never gonna make a video that I'm alone. Only in Help Wanted, yeah.
Like literally Lover VR when we're playing a game, he just says you're never alone. Don't ever not invite me. You're never alone.
That's his new. That's his famous quote now. You're never playing alone.
This game, and I scared them by talking in there. They thought I was a ghost.
Yeah.
Alright, next box.
Next bots.
Let's go.
Woo! Oh, I'm here.
Okay,
What the?
finally. The next box are fast. Alright, let's go. We gotta book it.
Book it. Cha 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 cha.
Look at you. You should be fast. I can tell.
Oh, there's a door.
A door.
The way that your gorilla looks like, I think you should be fast.
Broski.
Oh, no. Behind you. Look.
Yo.
Oh hell no.
Go up. Go 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 go. Ah!
This is
I'm
probably
scared.
the building you were in. You were up here.
Yeah, probably yeah.
You're up here.
Oh, God.
I wasn't exactly here.
Go here.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Afton.
William Afton.
There's doors.
Oh shoot! There's two of them. You can't. With a dead end. Criminal. No!
Oh no! Run over.
Ah! Ooh-wee! Damn! Bro, Timothy sneezed, scared the hell out of me. Who is that? Who is that? Whoa! Well, I died. There's no jump scare. It's just like, oh. There. And then like something happened to my character, and like it didn't run anymore, and I just died. Bro, freaking Area 51, 59. Oh my boo. Hijo de chingada. Area 51 and next boss are the funniest right now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, ski. CRTL for new, because it's Crypto, Raptor, Timothy, and Lover VR. Boom. Criminal.
You are back after dying. Me and Alan were playing Ring Around the Rosie.
Yeah, just to let y'all know, our code is not CRT anymore. It's CRTL.
Well, CRT's another fan lobby, so yeah. Spaceship. Here we go. What the heck?
Oh gosh. Let's go over here.
Come on, let's go.
I bet you there's aliens here.
Oh gosh.
No.
What did you just say?
Go forward. What? There's probably aliens here, I said.
No, that was just the leaderboard. Bro,
I thought you said there's probably Indians here.
Bro.
I swear I heard you say Indians.
wait, over here.
Yo.
There's another room. There's another room.
Bro, what are we doing? Are we in the Among Us spaceship?
Broski.
Where are we, bro?
I bet you finna get snatched right when you take a corner. By a freaking alien.
That's why I'm standing in the middle of
That's why I don't want to be first anymore. What is this?
Yo.
Oh, shoot.
A bath.
Wait, let's climb up it. Let's just hit up.
Yo.
What is up here?
Timmy. Yes.
There's like a bus or something.
Wait for me.
Oh, there's
Yo.
spaceships.
There's a spaceship! Go! Our way out!
We out.
We had it.
Wait,
is
why
this?
is it just a random newspaper, bro?
What does that say? There's
Literally-
4 guys. Inbound times.
Wait,
I can't read it.
wait, guys, look, jump over here.
Oh, bro fell. Oh.
I'm going in here.
Wait, let's go into this.
Ew.
That's
Or
so
sewers.
scary, and we're gonna get run over by.
That
a train. We're gonna get ran over straight over.
this is so edgy, bro.
I know. It's so.
Where
sketchy,
are we?
too.
Yeah,
Edgy and sketchy.
I got a wedgie. Shit, I try to get that. Ready?
And you have it all the way back there.
Oh my god.
Wait,
I feel like somebody's about to
what's
go.
up with this?
Eeh, I'm trying to. No, no. Someone's calling me,
I
bro.
did it.
I can't.
I did it.
I did it.
What the?
Come on, Timmy. Who's calling me? Oh, it's a scam. It's a spam call.
It's an Indian
Timmy.
spam caller.
Oh, yeah. We're safe up here, boy.
No.
Bro, my freaking, bro, my ringtone is literally the freaking
Oh,
Luigi's Mansion 3DS.
that's crazy. We about to get snatched by one of these.
Oh my god.
It's gonna open and we just get.
Run. Sprint. Oh my god.
Okay. Oh. Straight.
Go!
Let's keep going straight again.
Where did Brody go? Oh,
Bruh. Don't leave Alan behind.
go, go, go. I'm scared.
Let's go.
I'm scared.
I swear I heard something. Am I tweaking?
You might be tweaking. Dude, where are we?
I don't know.
This is probably the most irritating one yet. I think so.
Mm-hmm. Why? Wait, we're just going back.
We're just taking paths now until we die.
Is there even a monster in this one?
Hope not. Well, I hope there is, because they're just gonna keep me irritated forever. I kind of want to find a monster.
I know.
This way.
Oh. What the? What the?
Yo, that. I almost cried. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. That's the most loudest one ever. We couldn't see him. Bro, that actually got me on my knees. I was about to, bro. I sat down quickly. I was about to launch out my headset off. God, I was about to throw it up to my fucking room. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to Snapchat. Alright, here we go. TRTL. Jump scares in the world, bro. I love you. Oh, wait.
Bro, we were tweaking.
Whoa.
That.
Yep.
I told y'all I wasn't tweaking. I told you guys.
Damn, I'm glitchy.
Let's go.
Bro, I'm glitchy hardcore.
Oh,
It's not
maze.
stopping.
Maze.
Wait, don't go yet, don't go. Wait.
Why?
No, yeah, I'm gonna have to leave and this thing is so damn laggy. I'm getting back to the game. Getting... Come on, come on. That's another level. No, we could keep going. There's definitely a monster there. All right.
I think there's not gonna be a monster, but there is.
Yeah.
Alright,
Here goes
maze
Maze.
next.
Maze. Woo! I missed. Bro! I fell off the map. I fell off the map. Dude, how did I fall off the map? Hold on. What? No. Oh, the OG hide and seek. I remember what you're talking about now. Mhm. Yo, Maze. God dang.
Oh, come on.
I know. Alright, let's go. There's gonna be a monster on this one, so watch out.
Bro, I
Might
hate
be
this.
like the
Oh no,
Gmod
I know this. This is the Gmod maze.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
This probably has it probably has like the tower and everything.
They have like a huge house, like all
Yeah,
the way up to the
A huge
top right.
tower. Yeah. What if we just do this? Then we will never get caught by the monster.
He's
Oh, yeah.
tall.
Hope not.
Bruh, look at these walls. You think he's not gonna be tall? Dang.
I feel like it's gonna be Siren Head.
Bro, threw his controller.
Just come down here.
Oh my god, I fell down.
Alright, let's do it. We die.
Yeah, if one of us dies, we all die. I hate this already.
Oh, that's pure darkness. Right
Oh my
What?
god. Oh,
Oh.
there it is.
I thought it was a dead end. I was about to stop.
Key.
Dang. I swear, if it's like the Ace SCP. Nah.
Probably is.
Y'all didn't hear like a bone crack?
Yo, Lucy!
Oh, it's Lucy. Uh-uh.
Ah!
You're gonna get jump scared by Lucy easily too, cause you never know. Oh.
Just keep going. Just keep moving. Keep moving.
But she gets faster and she's like so far away from us. You're gonna like be the
Oh,
long time for dead end.
oh well.
You're gonna have to
We have to face death at one point. Whoa. Did anybody get that lag spike?
We need a bookie. Allison, I like how you were in the start. You were talking about Lucy and getting chased by her, and you can in this game.
Lucy's gonna be big as hell, I bet you.
He was joking about it, then it actually became a thing.
Yeah.
If it's Allison too, that's who's getting targeted by Lucy. That's insane.
I
Dude,
always get targeted #1 by the monsters, bro.
I wonder why. Alright, keep going.
So stand there. What do you? Timmy.
Come on.
Alan, it's your turn to be first, bro. Go.
Broski. Oh, this way.
Y'all heard that?
That's bone cracking. Yeah, that was Lucy. She's coming. Ah! Yo. Oh, give me
Dang,
kiss,
he's still
mommy.
getting lifted. Yo, save him. No,
Save me.
no, Alan.
Ah!
Dang, but
Okay.
she was dragging you up high.
Yeah. Alright, let's keep going. We don't have to worry about Lucy no more. Lucy is not the monster in here.
it again, bro. Get ready to get jump scared. I didn't hear that.
I'm getting irritated again.
Yeah, when you
That's
got
a dead end.
irritated, that's when the monster showed up.
Maybe I have Mexican instead of spider senses. I have Mexican senses. If I have chicken skin, that means the monster's nearby. I don't have chicken skin yet.
Alright, let's see.
Bro, I feel like we're at one point we can find.
Towers, I think.
No, it isn't.
Bro, I don't even know
God
what
dang
tower
it, bro. There's gonna be something really big coming towards us right now in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Never mind.
The fact that we turned the corner too, and you were like 3, 2, 1, so I was like, no. But I just turned it. Alan, you know how we say the leap of faith?
Yeah.
That was the turn of faith. The turn of faith.
Yo,
Oh,
This
yeah,
is-
remember in Big
this is
Scary?
our last
I
route.
know
This is our last route.
I
This
know
is our
the
last route.
CRTL family remembers this. Look. or we didn't film a video there.
I think we did, but we're not
But
gonna.
yeah,
we-
that's what we
no,
did
yeah,
in
we
Big Scary.
we're not
No,
gonna. The big scary one, we're not gonna upload it no more.
Yeah.
We
I
didn't
keep
even know
forgetting that we're
we
recording. I just forgot.
By the way, CRTL people, sorry for in the Cube Runners video at the end, I said, well, once again, CTR. I said CTR.
Bro, I think that's a gun, like a freaking, a pew pew weapon. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
I don't know if
I don't-
GUN
we
is
need to
copyright.
find
I already said it though.
We need to find our way back or something.
Yeah, at this point, let's just find our way back. Wait, we did a loop. We were here again. We were here before.
Oh, what are we?
Let's just try to find our way
I
back.
know where we started is near. It has to be. Okay, so this time, instead of going here, we're gonna turn right and then right. Oh, straight.
I hear bones clackling, or maybe that's just Allison or Timmy.
The bro said he hears bones clapping.
Bro, the freaking whoever it is getting it down, you know.
Wait, I hear it. That's Alan.
Wait.
That's Timmy.
No, I'm holding my headset so it doesn't fall.
You know, I think
No, that is that is Timmy. That's his headset just wobbling up and down.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, go this way. This way,
All right.
broski.
Let's go right. Oh, we haven't been here. We haven't been here. Wait. No, I think we have. Oh,
Have we? Oh,
yes.
oh.
Hmm.
But what is that way? What is that?
There's nothing.
For real? Oh yeah, it's just black.
Alright, this time instead of going straight, let's turn right this time.
Yeah, let's go right. There's one right here. Go on, broski.
We're
Wait,
gonna
wait,
take the
wait.
path. What?
Bro's dead.
Bruh.
Cracked his bones. Oh, I said right foot creep. Ooh, machine.
By the way, this guy's thoughts is so insane. We were watching a horror short film of a girl, and like she looked like Zlatan, and randomly this dude just said, "It's Zlatan."
Can I mute people?
I'll go.
We were laughing so hard. You can't. I tried.
All right. Ready?
Good.
Go.
Damn. Alright, go. We're turning right. this
Take
time.
right. Take a
Let's
right.
see.
Take a right. Take a right. Take a right. Take
Bruh.
oh. You know. I just noticed that there's some.
Let's leave and join back. There's no monster.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go in the safe zone just in case.
We went through everything.
Yeah. Wait, there's like 2 safe zones. One right here. Keep going. Yeah, here's the other one. Yeah. So what we got? What? Yeah. I hope not. Hope not. I don't even know how to. I'm gonna Yep. TRTL. Did you get scared?
Hey, this is I'm gonna rap for the CRT people. CRTL people. Alright. Hey, I'm a Bart. He got a dart shot through his heart. He moved the car. He has to fart with a start.
We're gonna release an album one day.
There was this name of Poot 2. He wore a tutu. He was trying to talk smack, so I hit him from the back.
Oh, here we go.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Just to say, this one is very scary.
Yup.
We didn't. Alright, let's go.
Book it.
Go, Timmy.
There's definitely. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm so scared.
Wait. Ah! Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah!
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
I saw him.
No! Go! He's right there! He's right there! Safe zone! Safe zone!
Oh my gosh. Y'all see the white guy right there, right? Okay, good. So we have the same screen.
I saw the orange guy. I saw an orange guy.
Oh wait, you see the orange guy right there?
No, I saw an orange guy.
I know, same. Let's go this way. Oh my gosh.
Book it, go, go.
He's leaving. He's coming
He's
back.
trying to hear him.
Ah!
This way.
Go, Bookie, just go.
I hear him.
Oh my god. You got one more. Bro's head fell off his headset. What? This is one of my favorites, yeah. One more. Dude. This is fun, bro.
Oh, CRTL. That's my that's my favorite one. What about for you?
Well, my favorite is Area 51 probably. Oh wait, what was the other one? That I liked Area 51 and what?
Forest Place.
No.
Xbox?
It was I think next bots. Next bots, and then crossplays. Yo, you here?
Fun fact, Timothy R, he threw his headset. He like fell off his head and shit.
His head fell off his headset. Oh man. Oh. Where's bro
That
at?
was amazing.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
Where's broski at?
He's not joining. His headset's about to die.
Did his headset die? Let me check.
He did.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Bro, I freaking took my headset. I went.
Alright, last one.
Dev Town. Here we.
I'm here. Yo.
I fell outside the map.
Oh my god. This is the most tiniest one ever. I just muted, bro. I'm okay. You're muted now. Broski fell off the map. I wonder what's the monster here.
I know. There might not be one. That's what I'm keeping that as a thought. There's not one.
I hope there isn't one.
Not even one, because usually there's like more than one, but
Oh my god.
by the way, guys, this is episode 2.
Yeah. This is.
Episode 1's already posted.
You
did, and check that one out before this one.
Yeah.
We already reviewed all the other ones. There's only
Yeah.
like, the other that we didn't do.
Alright, bro's back.
But yeah. Hopefully you guys like that one. If you don't, well, tell us. What should we do better?
What's good? Go to app chat, bro. Go to app chat.
Go to app chat. He's on call right now.
Yep.
I'm here.
Alright. So, until bro's headset dies, I guess, we're just gonna do the outro.
No, so I want to go to big screen.
Oh.
Dang,
You gonna charge it there?
2 minutes.
No, my headset's on like 15%, bro.
So wait, when it's 5, we're gonna end it. When it's 5.
Alright. Oh my god, what the...
Just do it. Just
No,
walk
I
on.
like 10. Cause his headset dies fast. So
No, he has, bro. His headset has some like steroids. You know.
I do not
Last
know.
time it was on 0 and it almost lasted for an hour.
Oh.
That's cap.
That happened to me too. It was like lasting for 2 hours. It was at 0%.
No, and remember when I said my headset was on 0? And
Oh no, yeah, it does happen like that. So it takes a while for the 0%. 0% just hanging on for life.
Why can I not climb?
Just do this, bro. Look, bro. Easy. Oh,
It's easy.
we just did
You
it.
made it. All you gotta do is come back.
Alright, we got
Let's go
this.
to this house.
Yeah,
I fell.
bro. Oh,
Alright. Let's go downstairs.
oh no.
Lucy's here.
Oh, well, Lucy's back again.
Well, we heard it over there, so why are you guys going over there?
Alright, let's go.
You
Let's
wanna
go.
get
Get
abducted?
I hear her already.
Alright, yeah, I hear it too. Oh, shoot!
Oh,
Oh, look it! Somebody left!
I think I see her.
I see it. Wait, I wanna see what she's wearing, cause last time she was like green and wearing something.
she's
This
blue.
time she's blue.
Sure,
so
shush.
She's gotta be wearing
Shush.
something different.
Shush. Oh no, that was my little freaking my mom's and dad. She's purple now.
Hear those bones, bro.
Is it just me? Did y'all hear that?
She just has eyes. Wait, let's do who? Wait. Is she going after me? Oh, she's
Wait.
going after. Wait, is that some?
She had a hat.
Okay.
Oh no, she got a freaking pencil through her skull.
Oh dang! She's right on you.
Yo, bro, I'm tripping, bro. Lucy look weird. Oh,
No.
Kiss me.
yup.
What? Oh my gosh, he's still getting lifted.
Broski.
I'll catch you. I'll catch him. Look at me. I'm gonna catch
I'm.
him.
I'm.
Check me out.
Oh. Oh.
Bruh.
I'm alive.
That's probably gonna be the thumbnail. All right. Well, jump off, boys.
We out.
Just keep
What's
running.
your headset at?
Oh, it's at 5.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Outro.
Well, I don't think there's nobody. There's no monster here. By the way,
Yeah,
the
no monster.
game is called Fun Monkey Horror. So if y'all wanna check out if there's any monster here or in the maze, let us know. I guess.
Please tell
But-
us, cause
That's it for now.
we didn't see any.
We're done with Fun Monkey Horror. Goodbye.
Peace out, everyone. And again. And again. CRTL people. It was amazing seeing you. We'll see you again. Have a great day.